This fully automated robotic cell is built to streamline complex assembly with precision and efficiency. At its core are 9 assembly workstations connected by a unique Nest pallet transfer system. Each pallet moves station to station using advanced tool changers, keeping the process smooth and consistent. Custom Nest fixtures are used to securely hold each part in place. They can also be quickly changed and stored beneath each station for flexible production. The system supports multiple assembly processes, including ultrasonic welding, clip installation, vision verification, content add, and wet-out press operations, all within a single workflow. Powered by 2 FANUC R2000 transfer robots and 5 FANUC M20 assembly robots, parts are only handled at load and unload stations, reducing risk and improving efficiency. The result is a system capable of producing multiple parts at once,